You guys, it's time for our weekend refresher. I'm so happy. This is definitely one of my favorite parts of the week. Today we're starting in the bedroom. We're only gonna do the bedroom and the kitchen because those are the two messiest places right now. Everywhere else in the apartment is honestly fairly clean. If you guys want a video where I clean my entire apartment, then just let me know in the comments down below and I'll definitely make it happen for you.
This one I can do with the job. I know get time I did that. The cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, wait, don't you get that. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the get them, ride it, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the get them, ride it with me. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do to me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one die, I know one die, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip, I know. Oh no, I thought now. This one I can do with the job. I know get time I did that. The cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, wait, don't you get that. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the get them, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the get them, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do to me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one die, I know one die, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, still Fontana. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip. I know feet, drive or not. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip. I know,
Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.